can just see your eyes. Okay, now you can see your whole face. That's Rhyse. He's a mate. He's kind of stupid. Now, Rhyse, like, are you douche?
I'm hairy and scary.
That was Rhyse. You can't see yourself, idiots. Rhyse just with the camera up his shirt.
I see Prue's rock. I'm poking your head.
Look at them. He just stomped his foot on them.
I'll give you a hand massage.
Don't you dare.
There it is.
Can't see it that close, you idiot.
Oh, can't you?
Here, I'll put it on. I'll zoom onto it. Rhyse, don't seriously. If anything happens to it, I'm dead.
Play it.
There, I just zoomed in on your stupid little neck thingy. Oh, shoot. I zoomed then.
I am Lady Gaga.
Okay, so that just tells us he's an hermaphrodite. Do something.
Prue is a lesbian.
Oh no. Oh come on.
Oh hi. We're up to get some pie. Get to can and then make up. Because Prue is bi.
That is true. Yeah. People know, don't care.
Me is too. You can't really sing that well.
No, you can. Come on, do something funny. We all. Who's that? Mine. No. We took all these videos. Oh my god, I've got so many things for you to look up on YouTube. Luke.
When we went to see Paranormal Activity and I filmed everything.
Yes, Luke playing with his dick. What? Yes, on the camera. You took that. Rhyse.
Because he wanted to do it. I was sitting in the living room, and I was sitting in the living room filming everyone, and he walks out and starts dancing like a gay guy.